En moins de 3 ans, le temps passé par les consommateurs sur leur smartphone à utiliser des applications mobiles a dépassé l'ensemble du temps passé sur le web, que ce soit sur leur ordinateur, leur laptop ou sur leur smartphone ou iPad.
A lot of people using a tablet are not buying or using their laptop or desktop PC anymore. I am Thomas de Vos from Imakina and I'm head of Imakina Mobile. Most of the time they use a tablet to surf the net, to read email and so on, but also to watch a lot of video. So tablets are really there to stay and will provide another interface, another experience for the end user, which is quite interesting today.
Alors les grandes entreprises d'aujourd'hui sont littéralement foudroyées par l'émergence des smartphones et des applications mobiles. Parce qu'il faut bien comprendre que c'est une révolution qui vient de la base. Ce n'est pas l'IT de ces entreprises qui a imposé les smartphones comme un standard. Au contraire, ils ont fait tout ce qu'ils ont pu pour empêcher ces technologies d'émerger parce que ça complique leur quotidien, parce que ça leur demande certaines remises en question de standards. Mais c'est venu des utilisateurs. Ils se sont rendus compte qu'ils avaient sur leur smartphone des applications qui étaient plus puissantes, plus ergonomiques que les outils web de l'entreprise et qui pouvaient en disposer partout, à tout moment, alors que l'entreprise, ils devaient être derrière leur ordinateur au bureau connecté à l'intranet. Donc vraiment, on se rend compte que les entreprises ont réalisé ça, mais elles sont toutes en train d'étudier ce virage. Il est tellement gigantesque, énorme, qu'on ne peut pas résister à une telle vague.
I am Marika Lux. I'm working for Colruyt and I am responsible for the marketing of the Collect & Go application on iPhone. Collect & Go is actually the e-ordering part from Colruyt for grocery shopping. Actually, we are always looking to find ways to make it more efficient for our customers to shop. So 10 years ago we started with the online part of Collect & Go, so it was possible for our customers to order their groceries online. And it's actually a natural way for us to go for the mobile application. The main challenge was actually to convert the e-experience to mobile, to make it even more efficient and easy to shop for the customers anywhere, from anywhere where they are. But of course we hope to attract new customers as well. Yeah. So in the application there's a tab that is used for searching. If you go on that tab you can actually launch the barcode scanner and you can scan your product by just scanning or focusing on the barcode. For us it was important to find a partner that knows the business and that knows how we can create a functional application, because it's not just creating shopping lists, but it's actually ordering through the mobile application. In the first 2 days we were on the top #1 position in the 25 of most downloaded Belgian apps. We also had a lot of reviews that were quite positive. And what we noticed during the last 4 days is of the actual orders that came through via Collect & Go, 5% were using the iPhone app, which is a nice result. We launched the first application on iPhone, but in autumn we're launching the Android version and a second version with more functionalities to make it even more convenient to shop.
Christophe de Rassenfoss, working for StepStone as Vice President Product and Traffic. StepStone has 2 groups of customers. One is the candidate which are looking for a job, and definitely their mobile is helping them to search more extensively. So using like traffic jam when you are in public transport to really look for a job. So when he takes the apps from the store, he creates his profile, a research profile, and from there, in 1 click or 2, he can actually see new job opening in the area where he's looking for a job. Very easy. It's also very easy for him to get alerts for new job with a direct match product that we have introduced with the mobile application. So it's really, we try to work on the usability of the mobile application to make it a rich user experience. StepStone was looking for a partner that could develop an application for 9 countries, 1 single application. We were also looking for creativity that we didn't have in-house, and we wanted to actually have an expert in the mobile sector to help us really to achieve a state-of-the-art application from the beginning. That's why we choose the reference in Belgium. From a user point of view, I think that we have a lot of very positive feedback. I mean, after 1 year, we did only 3, I would say, functional enhancements. on the application, and we are continuously seeing the adoption curve going up and up in the App Store. From the recruiter point of view, what we saw is a unique selling point that StepStone has compared to the others in the market, which enable employer branding in the iPhone app and the Android app, which is also very unique for the recruiter itself. When we analyze our web logs, we saw that we get more and more mobile visits on the website itself. So when you look at the device, the iPhone was the first choice. So we started with an iPhone app development a year ago now, and now we have launched an Android version as well, and we are actually reconsidering to develop the website in HTML5 to get it more mobile friendly for covering all the rest, so tablets and all the other devices.
If you have a problem with your car, for example, your car broke down, you want to alert the help services, all the information that you normally have to give by voice on telephone, the application is now collecting all kinds of data based on different sensors in your smartphone, like geolocation and so on. So this information is immediately sent to their service help desk, so you don't have to provide this information yourself. And we often start with use cases, so trying to put us in the place of the end user who is sitting near the street with his broken car and so on, and see what functionalities, what services he could use at that specific moment. After these workshops, we have then kind of functional analysis and so on, some wireframes which are created to see if the experience is well on this device, and then the application is created and deployed in the market. We're thinking of new services, for example, driving direction, taking a photograph, for example, of the problem you have and so on. Also seeing where the service car is, so you could see what the waiting time is and so on, these things.
I'm Anne-Catherine Zoller. I've been working at ING in the Human Resource Department as an e-communication specialist. In ING Human Resource Department, we are looking for some very particular profiles. eMachina understood directly our needs, and they know these profiles quite well. We thought of an iPhone app game, and we wanted something that would be fun and also a bit brain-teasing. And then we decided to use a variation of the Mastermind game. eMachina suggested we use augmented reality. As you play the game, you can put your iPhone camera on a drawing, and if you steer the drawing with the camera, then you will see a 3D character appear. And this character will respond to your score during the game. To me, the application was a success. We were the first in Belgium to create an iPhone app game for recruitment. Internally, it was considered a success and a first step in this direction. And we know we are going to continue using the mobile for recruitment.
I'm Michael Tota, Head of Digital Applications Department at eMachina. The idea was from Belgacom to extend the TV experience and to provide some content on various devices. The idea was to be able to access to live TV stream from tablets and from phones, and also access to a TV guide that allows you as well to record remotely some TV programs. On top of that, VOD catalog is also available, so you can access some video on demand. For the launch, all videos will be available for free, and this application will be available both on Android and iOS, tablets and phones as well. Of course, in the future, the idea is to develop furthermore the application and to have more features, more functionalities available. And indeed, the idea is to have more or less the same experience, but with the great advantage of being totally mobile. So you can also watch TV in the train using your 3G connection, for example, or maybe in waiting lines in a station or at the office. That's basically the advantage. Working with Imakina, of course, it's a great facility because we have all developers that are really trained and skilled and that can develop at the same time on iOS, on Android, and can be also on a Windows Phone, and why not maybe in the future on BlackBerry. So it's really an advantage of working with Imakina with us, simply because we have lots of mobile developers and experts, not only on the development of the mobile part, I mean the front-end part, but also being able to interact and collaborate with IT guys. For that you need also some IT developers, and this is one of the strongest points at Imakina.
Alors aujourd'hui, c'est vraiment incontournable pour la stratégie de communication des entreprises d'avoir et déjà de commencer à mettre un pied dans l'univers du mobile. On voit aujourd'hui que c'est le premier moyen dans l'univers digital pour toucher les consommateurs. Donc je pense qu'il y a là une évidence. Évidemment, il faut le faire progressivement parce qu'on doit apprendre de nouvelles règles. C'est un nouvel univers, ça fonctionne très différemment du monde des sites web que l'on bookmarkait. On doit télécharger des applications, on doit passer par les App Store, l'Android Market Store ou l'Apple App Store, là où autrefois on devait essayer d'être visible dans Google. Donc les règles du jeu ont changé et donc il faut le faire progressivement, mais c'est littéralement incontournable.